Hey Glam Squad, after 5 years of enjoying my blue ceiling, now it is white, pure white. I pray that you guys are doing great and that you are ready to see the transformation in the living room. As a reminder, this is the color that used to be in the living room. Now it is in Repose Gray by Sherwin Williams. A few of you did guess it right. Yeah! I love this color, you guys. I think it is so pretty. I love it more than I love the modern gray that I have in my family room. I think it goes very well with the white furnitures and the gold accent pieces. I am going to be installing a new mirror on the wall. This is what my men are planning. Because the mirror is super heavy, we had to install a steel bar in the back of it. We got it from Amazon to support the mirror on the wall. Basically, we're not going to be using the hanging hooks the mirror came with. This is the other one on the wall. It's been installed already. I think this thing can hold up to 100 or 200 pounds. I'm not sure. I will leave the link in the description box just in case if you are interested. Okay, you guys, this is my new baby. I know I have been having a lot of babies lately, but this is another baby of mine. It is from HomeSense for $500. As I said earlier, the mirror is super heavy. As a matter of fact, I bought this mirror for a little while, but I could not help my husband put it up because it is so heavy. It is great quality and it does look expensive. Very similar to my other mirror that I purchased from Z Gallery in my dining room. Guys, this is my handsome nephew. He has been hanging out with us a lot lately. This is why you maybe spotted him in some of my videos. Next to the mirror, we installed these beautiful wall sconces. They are from Amazon. They are very pretty. The electrical wires are not done yet, but I'm using them for beauty purposes, not for lighting. One is a little bit lower than the other one. My hubby gonna stop by and fix that for me in a little while. So Glam Squad, tell me, what do you think about the mirror, the new paint color, and the sconces so far? Many of you know this work is new. I got it from Amazon. Link for it will be in the description box, including the links for the ottomans. They are from Amazon as well. Yesterday when I went to Home Goods for my Christmas shopping, I saw these two beautiful end tables at Home Goods and they were $60 each, you guys. I could not leave them at the store. I still love my end tables that I have over here, but they are a little bit small. For now, I'm gonna place my other two end tables, one in each corner over here, and then I'm gonna give the other mirrored end tables a chance. If I like them more, I will keep them. If not, I will return them to the store. I just bought in my big juicy vase from Home Goods, but it was DIY by me in gold. I like this vase with the flowers in it. Most of the time I keep them together. The flowers are from TJ Maxx. You guys always ask me about the vase. As I mentioned, it is from Home Goods. It was in the color blue crystal and I spray painted gold. I will leave the link in the description box for this particular video. I'm changing the curtains in my family room area, so we're going to repurpose them. So we're gonna bring them in here. I think they are perfect in here because they have a lot of glams as well. I know you guys gonna ask me, they are from Amazon. You guys like them as much as I like them. In the corner by the window, I added my new lamp, which is another baby of mine. On the small table in the corner, I added these beautiful flowers with my gold vase from Home Goods. It's looking really cute. I love these flowers. And on the other side, in the other corner, I have my gold boxes from Amazon and this bottle from Gallery. Since I bought this rug, I could not find a home for it. A couple of weeks ago, I put it in here and I really like it over here. I think it has found its home. It extends the living room a little bit. I wanted to make this area super glam, so I added this tray from Home Goods with a bowl, a super luxury candle, and the glam candle holder from Home Goods. I selected this tray because I wanted to break away from the gold a little bit in this particular design. The silver and the crystal does a good job at doing that. You will see that a little bit later when I reveal everything to you guys. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. My name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. Big thank you to all of you, my Glam Squad. Please check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. On this end table, on the other side of the sofa, I have this glam vase from Home Goods, some books from Amazon. This vase was chosen because it goes with the other tray that's on the other end table, trying to create some sort of symmetrical image. Guys, these are my Holy Grail pillows. I use them over and over. I love them. They're just perfect. Although I have other pillows, it's like I do not have any other pillows because I just love these so much and I keep using them. They are investment pillows and they are the best. They are from Gallery and Home Goods. On the left seat, I also have another set of pillows from Gallery. These are my other Holy Grail pillows. And I bought this throw from my last Christmas haul that came out yesterday. If you have not seen it, go check it out. The items are just fabulous. You're gonna be seeing some of them in my Christmas video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. The video will be uploaded after 5 Eastern Standard Time. Also, stay tuned. There will be a giveaway announcement at the end of the video. On the coffee table, I have 3 sets of items. The candle holders are from Tuesday Morning with a small candle from the dollar store inside of it. This one does not have any more wick, so I just put a tea light inside of it. I have the vase sit on a stand that is from Amazon, and the vase is from, I think, Mrs. Backstage or Home Goods, I don't really remember. And the flowers, these big peonies, I think they are from Amazon, and this one is from Burlington, and these branches are from Hobby Lobby. The vase is a little bit too small for this floral arrangement, but I really did not want to take the time to look for another vase, so I just used the first vase that I could find that would work. I really didn't know what to put on this side of the wall. I was gonna leave it empty, and then I remembered I have these 2 canvas that was DIY by yours truly. I think they are perfect for the wall, and that's how I placed them on the wall. On the shelves, I really didn't do much. I only removed the fall decor and placed some random items and kept some of the items that were already there, and that's it. Okay, you guys, this is what everything looks like together. Please enjoy. I've decided to do an update first instead of going straight to a Christmas decor, because not everybody is into holidays decor. I know I was not until recently when I started my YouTube channel. I have a few of my viewers that told me that they are not into holidays decor. So I wanted to give you guys a regular update before going to holidays decor in the room. Guys, if you think I did a good job, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend and a family member. And if you like what you see so far, make sure to hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Big thank you to all of you for stopping by today. I will see you on the next video. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.